Your car is probably missing gadgets you didn't even know existed, and Amazon is selling them right now. From futuristic dashboard upgrades to gadgets that can actually save you during emergencies, these inventions make normal cars feel outdated. Some are insanely useful. Some feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. And a few are so satisfying, you'll instantly want them in your car. Trust me, the gadgets later in this video get even crazier. Imagine turning your car's screen into a full smart entertainment system. That's exactly what the Atotolife AI box does. It upgrades basic CarPlay into something that feels way more futuristic. You can stream videos, use apps, run navigation, and completely transform boring road trips into something fun. It honestly feels like giving your car a luxury tech upgrade without replacing the whole dashboard. Once you experience this setup, normal CarPlay suddenly feels ancient. But the next gadget solves one of the worst summer driving problems ever. Opening your car door during summer can feel like stepping into an oven. The Coricha windshield sunshade fixes that instantly. It blocks intense sunlight and keeps your seats, steering wheel, and dashboard from overheating. No more burning your hands or sitting on scorching leather seats. It folds open fast, stores easily, and makes your car feel protected even during brutal heat waves. If your car sits outside often, this gadget quickly feels less like an accessory and more like survival gear. And this next gadget completely changes the vibe inside your car. These interior LED lights make even older cars feel futuristic. The second they turn on, your entire interior transforms into something that looks straight out of a luxury sports car. Night drives suddenly feel cinematic, music becomes more immersive, and passengers always notice them instantly. You can switch colors, create moods, and customize everything to match your style. It's one of those upgrades that looks expensive, but costs surprisingly little. After installing these, regular car interiors honestly feel boring. But this next gadget fixes a dirty problem most drivers ignore. Most people wash their car, but completely forget about the wheels. And honestly, dirty rims ruin the entire look. This wheel rim brush kit makes deep cleaning ridiculously satisfying. It reaches tight spaces easily and removes stubborn dirt, brake dust, and grime without damaging the surface. Watching filthy wheels turn spotless feels weirdly addictive. If you care about keeping your car looking clean and premium, this gadget makes a massive difference with almost no effort at all. But the next gadget is something every driver secretly needs. This fast car charger becomes a lifesaver the moment your phone battery drops during navigation, music, or emergency calls. It charges devices quickly while keeping your setup neat and modern. No more fighting over charging ports during road trips. No more messy cables everywhere. It's one of those gadgets you barely think about at first, but once you start using it daily, you realize how useful it actually is. Small upgrade, huge convenience. And now we're getting into emergency-level gadgets. Flat tires always happen at the worst possible time, late at night, during road trips, or when you're already running late. This portable air compressor helps you handle the problem anywhere within minutes. It's compact, easy to use, and powerful enough to get you back on the road fast. Even people who know nothing about cars can figure it out instantly. That feeling of confidence knowing you're prepared for emergencies, that alone makes this gadget worth having. But the next gadget solves a problem you didn't even realize your car had. Cars collect crumbs, dust, and random messes way faster than people expect. This mini auto vacuum makes cleaning incredibly easy without dragging out a giant vacuum cleaner. It's compact enough to store anywhere, but powerful enough to clean cup holders, vents, seats, and tiny corners fast. It's especially satisfying after road trips or fast food runs. Instead of ignoring the mess, you actually want to clean your car because this gadget makes it quick and simple. And this next gadget makes your car feel way more protected. Whether your car is parked outside overnight or sitting in a crowded parking lot, this car alarm system adds serious peace of mind. Loud alerts instantly grab attention if someone tries messing with your vehicle. Just hearing the alarm activate is enough to scare most people away. It's one of those gadgets you hope you never need. But if something ever happens, you'll be extremely glad it's installed. Safety, confidence, and protection all in one setup. But wait until you see this next charging gadget. Modern cars never seem to have enough charging ports, especially during road trips. This cigarette lighter splitter instantly fixes that problem. It turns one socket into multiple charging stations while keeping cables neat with retractable chargers. No more tangled wires hanging around your dashboard. Everyone inside the car can charge devices at the same time without fighting over power. It's simple, satisfying, and makes your entire setup feel cleaner and more organized immediately. And this next gadget could save you a massive repair bill. Few things are more stressful than random warning lights appearing on your dashboard. This diagnostic scanner helps you figure out what's wrong before spending crazy money at a mechanic. Just plug it in and instantly check possible issues inside your car. It honestly feels like having a mini mechanic sitting in your glove box. Even if you know nothing about vehicles, this gadget gives you more confidence and control while potentially saving hundreds of dollars. But the next gadget feels straight out of a luxury vehicle. This mirror DashCam upgrades your rearview mirror into a smart recording system that constantly watches the road. It records accidents, reckless drivers, and unexpected moments automatically. That extra layer of security feels amazing during traffic or long road trips. Some versions even improve visibility at night, making driving feel safer after dark. And because it blends into the mirror, the setup looks sleek and modern instead of bulky or distracting. But this next gadget is pure comfort during summer driving. Hot car seats during summer are honestly unbearable. This cooling seat cover completely changes the experience. Built-in airflow keeps you cool during long drives, traffic jams, and intense heat waves. It almost feels like adding luxury ventilated seats to your car instantly. Once cold air starts flowing through the seat, driving becomes way more relaxing and comfortable. If you live somewhere with brutal summers, this gadget quickly feels like something you can't live without. And now, for one of the most futuristic gadgets in the video. This OBD2 gauge display gives your car a glowing digital performance screen that looks straight out of a racing movie. You can monitor speed, engine information, fuel data, and live stats in real time while driving. Even older cars suddenly feel smarter and more modern. The display adds a sporty high-tech vibe that instantly upgrades the entire interior. It's one of those gadgets that makes your car feel more advanced the second you install it. But this next gadget fixes one of the most annoying problems every driver has faced. Phones, keys, fries, coins. Somehow everything disappears into that impossible gap beside your seat. This car gap filler fixes the problem instantly. It blocks the gap perfectly while adding extra storage space for small essentials. No more reaching under seats while driving or parking just to recover something important. It's such a simple idea, but once you start using it, you'll honestly wonder why every car doesn't already come with this built in. And finally, the craziest gadget in this entire video. These Govee interior LED lights make your car feel like a futuristic nightclub on wheels. The lights react to music, change colors instantly, and completely transform nighttime driving. Whether you're cruising through the city or hanging out with friends, the atmosphere feels incredible. Some setups honestly look straight out of a sci-fi movie. The customization options are endless, and once people see them inside your car, they instantly want the same setup for themselves. So, which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you made it this far, you officially love cool gadgets as much as we do. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we've got even crazier Amazon finds coming next. All product links are waiting for you in the description below.